Yo, YouTube, what's happening, y'all? It's your boy, Uncut Consciousness. You know, I decided to go ahead, drop another video on y'all, you know. I really don't have like a subject or a title or anything. I just gonna freestyle, just make a video, you know. How y'all doing out there, you know? I see y'all, you know, I read y'all comments, I watch the videos, I subscribe, you know. Feel free to subscribe to your boy, you know. I'm gonna start making videos. I'm gonna start showing y'all like different shit, like reality shit that's going on where I'm at, where I'm from. That's about it, man. I'm just make a video, check in with my YouTube family. You know, my conscious people, my aware people. You know what I mean? Talking to people and verbally expressing myself is something new. I'm not really used to, you know. I'm just used to like just keeping everything bundled up inside, you know. So I'm just gonna get used to talking and see how many subscribers I can get. And like I say, when I see y'all subscribe to my page, I'm gonna subscribe to y'all page. I probably got like 5 subscribers or something. But let's see if we can change that. I'm gonna drop a few shout outs, you know, my usual shout out. Fuck with people that I fuck with, my YouTube people I fuck with. Blaqink, what's up, Blaqink? Man, I got your comment when you said you snatched my video when you broadcast it in your live. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to catch my part. Well, I watched the live, but I didn't get a chance to catch the part where you inserted my video. But it's all good. Now, I heard you say that they told you got 30 minutes to go live, but you push it to like 3 hours. I'm gonna give a shout out to Ase Devine. I haven't seen or heard from her in a while. I see people coming through my channel trying to get at her. She did hit me up, you know, but I guess she's saying that it's a video put out there by Ase Devine. I actually did see that video. The girl is just talking, I don't know really into depth what she was saying. And I don't want to really touch on the details of that because I don't want to promote that negativity on my channel. So if that's something that you're interested in, you have to go and dig and find that, or holler directly at Ase Devine, and she'll pretty much tell you what's going on with that video. But the girl just talking all crazy about Ase Devine or whatever, and she supposedly got receipts, but the receipts don't really prove nothing. It's not real receipts or whatever. Get a shout out to my home team 7. What happening, boy? Yeah, I see you came through on the comments, man, and I see on your channel you starting to upload different content, and yeah, I like that. You keep doing your thing, bro. I see your ass in the weight room lifting 4 tons and shit. God damn, that nigga. Hey, that nigga got up under that goddamn bench. Bitch, that nigga was lifting fucking 4,000 pounds. Bitch, to me, that's 4,000 pounds. Like, yeah, damn, that little nigga scroll. That nigga say, don't let the size fool you. And I did, don't let the size fool you, boy. 7, you a strong ass nigga, boy. Shit, I might have to catch up with you, link up with you, bro. You know, hit the weight room. You know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna be lifting all that shit you lifting, you know what I mean? You know, all them Cadillacs you put on that bitch. But yeah, hit me up though, 7. We can link up, bro. Do something. You feel me? You know what time it is. It's this home team. I'm in point now. Bitch, you feel me? Yeah, man. These niggas acting crazy around here where I stay at, man. It's been shootings back to back. Man, I say what, the day before yesterday, the 12-year-old boy got hit. They did a drive-by, hit my next door neighbor, man. The dude, neighbors stay across the street from me. Yeah, her son got hit. He 12 years old. It was broad daylight. Her son got hit. He got hit in the leg. Then he went through his leg and hit the other leg. Fucked him up, man. He an athlete too, you know what I mean? So I don't know how serious the injuries are. I don't know if it's gonna affect his performance in the future or his adulthood or whatever. I don't know that. But when I come out the house, it's just news, people all down the street and shit. I should have showed y'all that shit, you know what I'm saying? That's why I say, when I'm on content, when shit be going down and shit, I'm gonna start uploading the shit on the YouTube so y'all can see. And that was like 2 days ago when the 12-year-old got hit in broad daylight. The boys came through. But I actually think how the 12-year-old got hit when they did the drive-by. I think them boys was on return. They were shooting back at the ones in the car, and I think one of those bullets fucked around and hit Jit. You know what I'm saying? But he's straight though. He'll live. I actually got pictures of this shit. You know what I mean? I got pictures of Jit on the ground and shit. You know what I mean? Cause I was right there. Yeah, I done seen some shit around here, man. And then last night, you know what I'm saying? I'm walking to the store, cause the store is literally like a block away on Cherry Hill. 7, you know what Cherry Hill is, nigga. Cherry Hill, nigga. Y'all don't know, Google it. Cherry Hill, Boynton Beach, Florida, Palm Beach County. Google that shit. But anyway, yeah, that shit notorious for gangster shit. But yeah, man, I'm walking to the store. Well, I ain't even start walking to the store. I'm in the house. I'm getting ready to go to the store. I'm just in the house, and I just hear boom, 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 bop, 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 boom, 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 boom. I'm like, oh shit. Me and my old lady, the kids, you know, we getting down. That's a shame though. My daughter 4 years old, bro, and she know to get on the ground when she hears shots. That's sad shit, bro. My daughter 4 years old, and when they start shooting, she just got on the ground, down there under the bed, without me saying nothing. It's just like, that shit fucked up, that your kids get immune to violence and gun violence and shit. So anyway, me and my family, we just chilling inside now. We just waiting to hear something. And I'll be damn, coming down the street, you see a black Benz. See the unmarked police coming out and chasing them. So they done chased them. When they chased them, they left. So I goes on to the scene. They got the yellow tape out. They got the little cones with the numbers on it, labels, the 1, 2, 3, with all the shell casings. Man, I should have took the pictures of the shell casings and showed it to y'all. They got the all the way down the street. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big ass AK shell cases this big, man. Inch long, it's cases. All the way down the street. Bullet holes all in the store. The store that I'm going to, Cherry Hill Mini Market. Bitches, bullet holes in the glass. Bust the glass. Shit like that. Store owner said he had to run in the freezer. Bitch, he thought they was niggas. He said that shit was so loud. He said, B, man, that shit so loud, man. I thought them niggas was in the store getting at a nigga. I'm like, damn, bro, just bless you all right, dog. Just the other day they hit the jit. My neighbor jit, he like, yeah, man, I know they hit Shan jit. Shit fucked up. Yeah, anyway, I wake up, check PalmBeachPost.com. They got the article about the shooting because it been like shooting in there the other day. So, oh, another shooting in Boynton Beach. And the car they were chasing fucked around and got away. Ain't that's crazy? So these niggas don't wet up 2 blocks. Wet it up. Troll jump behind them. These niggas get away. Shit real around here, boy. So I'm gonna start when shit going happening. I'm gonna start recording this shit, and I'm gonna show y'all. So subscribe to my shit. You feel me? It's gonna be some real shit. I just decided to do this literally just now while I'm making this video. I said, you know what? When that real shit go down, I'm gonna show y'all. And the reason I'm gonna show y'all is not to glorify the shit. It's not to praise the shit. It's not. It's to make you aware and let you see what the oppression and what society has dealt us and what the white man has put on our heads. We're trapped here unless we do some nature boy shit, and that shit ain't gonna work. You know what I'm saying? So y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel, man, and it's gonna be some content coming soon, man. I'm gonna start like coming up with some subjects. I'm gonna speak on it. I'm gonna speak on some spirituality shit. I'm gonna speak on like the religious shit. I'm gonna speak on the street shit and just tell you what it is. Yeah, and I'm in Florida too, man. So you know I'm outside while y'all. Oh yeah, another shout out too, man. I wanna shout out my boy Marwan Tobidachi. Shout out my boy Mind Over Matter, boy. Every time I see your videos, you be bundled up. But yeah, Mind Over Matter, man. I'm very curious of what your surroundings look like. So next video, man, show me some more. Like I like when you showed me the fog when you couldn't see the other side of New York. Like when you can see the water, but the fog is so thick you can't see 60 feet in front of you. So yeah, show me more, dog. And like when you be walking, crossing the street, and you said the lady was following you crossing the street, you should have put the camera on her ass. I wanted to see. I'm like, damn, I want to see what she look like. And I want to see like how the area is, how it looks. Like I see you around a lot of skyscrapers and high rises. See, like it ain't no high rises where I'm at, bro. There's no high rises, bro. Like I'm not around no buildings and shit. So I want to see how them buildings look. You know what I mean? Next time you go live, show me your surroundings, man. I fuck with you heavy. And then you had came through and left a comment too, bro. Yeah, I fuck with you, Marwan. You know what I mean? Real recognize real, dog. Well, you over there in Jersey? I ain't never been to no shit like that, bro. I ain't never been to Jersey. I've been a few places, but I ain't never been to Jersey and shit like that. I got Blaqink over there in California. See, I like to see y'all boys in y'all different states. I like to see y'all surroundings. You know what I'm saying? That shit be cool to me. You feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna start uploading that content for y'all boys, man. So it's your boy, it's Uncut Consciousness. And I'm out this bitch, feel me? Peace.